welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lesleyanne. Today I have finally received my Glossybox subscription. I have received this late because there were apparently issues with some of the products that they weren't able to get out to everyone, that being the people that subscribe to the box, not to the PR people. They actually had their boxes before, so I'm not very impressed, and I have cancelled my subscription now, although I'm finding that quite difficult to do because they keep coming back with emails making it particularly difficult to go on to this bit and that bit, and oh, if I've got any further comments to make, do, you know, so it's quite difficult to do, but I'm not giving in. I am actually cancelling now because this has happened way too many times before. So I'm not even going to make a fuss over the box, but I am going to have a look inside to see if I have received exactly what a lot of the PR people got. So the box, you've probably all seen it by now, is quite pretty. I'm not going to knock the box. It's a pretty box. And it opens differently to the others, so it opens like that, which is nice. I'll be able to use that box for something else. The ribbon is very pretty as well, different colour. That always just gets used in crafting. And then you've got the Glossybox magazine, and you've got the tissue paper, which again is different colour. So I will open it, open it for you guys so you can see exactly what we've got in here. It'll be very interesting to see if I've got what other people have got, right? Okay, I don't think I have straight away. But of course they have a way of getting out of it as well, don't they? Okay, so I actually don't have one thing that I actually did want, which is something that the PR people are pushing out there to encourage people to subscribe. I know it was for first-time subscribers, and I know that they did say that not everybody would get the same. Those of us that subscribe, that we may get different. Fair enough, but if that is the case, why have they kept some of us waiting so long for it if we're all getting different? Right, okay, so I'm just going to pull out the first thing, and this is a full size by Eureka, and it's a body fragrance mist by the fragrance Tropique. An island escape in a bottle. This Tropique mist captivates island florals, warm rays of light, and allows you to add a luxurious scent that embodies exactly that to your skin. Just a spritz or two of this body fragrance would also leave you with skin feeling super soft. £20 is the recommended retail price, and this is it. That's the full size packet. Spritz, let's open it. A little shake, and let's spray some of this onto my arm. It does smell nice, it does smell nice. It actually smells really nice. But in a way, it reminds me of suntan lotion. I don't know why. I think it's the coconut in it is reminding me of a suntan lotion, but a decent size to carry around with you in your handbag. The next item is by Kinda, KNDR. It's a full size, and recommended retail price for this is £14. And it's a natural buildable bronzer powder that will give you the perfect sun-kissed glow. Creamy and ultra soft. The formula has also been created with a blend of nutrient-rich plant-based butters to condition your skin. Simply sweep across your face where the sun would naturally hit for an illuminating lift. Okay, so that is this little bronzer. Packaging's really sweet. Got like the little sea sort of theme as the box has. Okay, that's what it looks like, and that's the bronzer. That looks very dark. I don't know if it's going to be, so I'm just gonna That doesn't look too dark on my arm, but then my arms are always sort of darker than my face. Let's just move here a bit. I suppose if you're touching it quite lightly, it's okay. I think it looks darker in the palette than it is. So let's smash up up it. I'd naturally maybe catch the sun there and there. Ooh. Yeah, so it's a lot darker. It's a lot darker on my face. I'd naturally, if I was to put some of the brush, obviously it would be a lot lighter, wouldn't it? And then I'd naturally catch it here. So I'm not making a grand job of this because I'm just using my fingers. I'm doing it downstairs as well. So I haven't got any makeup brushes down here. And if you can hear the whirring, I've got the fan behind me. It's bliss. I'd probably also try it on my eyes as well. It's the sort of place that I'd like. I like this sort of colour on my eyes because where I've got blue eyes, anything sort of browny colour helps the blue to pop. So let's just get some on this one. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice. I like this. Ooh, gone a bit heavy there. Gosh. So yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah, that's all right. I've gone a little bit heavy, I think, but there you go. You get the gist, yeah? Have been looking forward to receiving this actually. It's the shower steamer shower. It's a full size, recommended retail price is $3.99. I'd like to be able to see these in the shops as well. They refresh your senses while you wash with this apple and starfruit shower steamer. Essentially a bath bomb for your shower. So you place the shell on the floor and you wait for the humidity to hit. And your shower will fizzle by your feet, releasing an amazing aroma of sweet orange essential oils into the air. Perfect to relax and unwind. $3.99, I think I may have said that. I think that's a jolly good idea because some people just do not have a bath, do they at all? Let's see if we can get into this. I mean, I have a bath, but I can't get into the bath at the moment in the back and everything, so. Oh, it smells good. But that's what it's like, and it really does smell quite nice. It smells of, I can smell apple, very faint smell of apple, but it reminds me of a sweet. It's kind of got an apple smell to it, but I can't think of it. Okay, next one is cheek and lip tint. We are getting loads of these in all subscription boxes right now. Absolutely loads of these are coming through. This is by MCO Beauty, MCO Beauty. Maybe it's MCO Beauty, I don't know. Never heard of it before. Anyway, Discover Double Duty Beauty for a rosy pout and flushed cheeks. This lip and cheek tint perfectly blurs the lines between a dewy gloss and a pigmented stain, making it an essential multitask skin product. Blend using fingertips to give your cheeks a youthful luminous glow and your lips a natural pop of buildable colour. Full size in this is £12. I mean, it's a shame that I'm cancelling really, because at the end of the day I have enjoyed a lot of the products that have come my way. So I've had a couple of rants about it, and out of principle, purely out of principle, I am doing this, I am cancelling. And I would cancel with any business, regardless to which business it is. If we are treated differently, at the end of the day, the people who pay for things are the bread and butter of any company. And you lose your customers, you know, lose your business, right? But out of principle, I just, it won't allow me to do it. But this is coming out super quick. It's very kind of, yeah, pigmented, to say the least. Little tiny diddy one, but as I say, we've had loads of these coming through. I've got a whole collection of this sort of type of thing. If I put this on my cheeks, well, I've got a bit of that on, but I will do it just to show you what it's like. You need the tiniest bit, the absolute teeny tiniest bit. Oh my god, see, that's way too much. Look how much I've still got. So I probably wouldn't get on with this one too well, because it's so pigmented for me. If you've got a lovely darker skin, you may get on well with this, because you know, you can go a little bit more with it for it to have that lovely glow on your skin, whereas me being so light, it just looks, you know, ridiculous. I'll try it on the lips. Oh, I don't mind it on the lips so much. The lips is a lot better than on the cheeks. But that was, I still got absolutely tons of it left. So I'm just going to take some of this paper that is in the box. Wipe that off. So this is Sportex. It's Wipe Away Makeup Remover Wipes. Each one of these handy face wipes is drenched in micellar water to gently cleanse your complexion, whilst the accompanying eye wipe is rich in olive oil to remove any traces of waterproof eye makeup. Soothing aloe vera also reduces redness while adding vitamins and antioxidants. Nourish your skin to leave it blemish free. £2.99 for full size. This is a full size. It says top tip, keep it in your handbag for easy on the go, which is fair enough. I haven't used anything especially for like a separate item for the eyes. I may like that, but I know I won't use the face wipes. Okay, so each one, it's a good idea, this concept though. So it looks like that. Okay, so you've got the one for your face this side and the one for your eye this side. This feels a lot more sort of squidgy, sort of spongy. Right, the face wipe, gently sweep over your face. Well, yeah, it wipes away makeup, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this one does the eyes, avoid rubbing. I am going to do it. I'm not going to use the face wipe though, but I'm going to have a go with the, I'll do the eye one. Yeah, it's not like, you can feel straight away it hasn't got like a liquid. It is, you can, I don't know if you can see like the oil there, coming off of there. So it definitely is an oil, so let's wipe over my eyes. It's actually taken off some of that blusher that I did a bit too close there. I like this idea for getting off like mascara. I don't know if they sell them separately, but I wouldn't buy them. I wouldn't buy it because I wouldn't want the face wipe. See if I can get the last of that off with my hand. Yeah, it actually feels very nice, and I think that once you've used them on your eyes, they're not mucky, or you've got like little bits of it that aren't mucky. With say mascara, you could just like do like I've just done, and I've just sort of wiped it over my cuticles, so you're sort of like oiling your cuticles at the same time. Those I really like. I would have a look to see if they sell those separately, but I think they're a jolly good idea. And how many are in here? Let me have a look. Does it say? They've got olive oil in to help remove waterproof mascara as well, so that's really good. And vitamin E. There's 20 in here, so you've got 20 for your eyes, 20 for your face. So that's a jolly good idea. Now, I think this has taken place over the Luminesque highlighter, because that's what I think most people were getting, and I think it was valued at around, I want to say between 32 and 37 pounds, something like that. This full size recommended retail price is £2.99. Now I've seen people have everything else apart from this, so yeah, they've got the and I'm not saying it because I actually really wanted, I was interested to see if I'd get it, because actually I have got a couple of Luminous products upstairs. I've got a primer and I've got a little tiny like highlighter, and that wasn't it at all. It was the principle behind people paying and people not paying. And then there's a couple of free little sweets in here, and I've also, oh no, it might be chewing gum, is it? I've seen other people get these as well. So it's bubble gum, so it's the Extra Refreshers bubble gum. Cool. Gonna taste one, and I'll keep you posted to let you know if I've managed to finally get through to them that I don't want it anymore. I want to cancel. I might end up having to do another month, you know, purely to give notice, but I'm doing I've got like a rolling monthly subscription, so I should be able to cancel any time as well. But oh gosh, my hands are all like oily now, like I can't open this. Hold on. Here's my t-shirt. Oh, flipping heck. I need to get the scissors on these guys. Anyway, that's the end of this Glossybox haul. I hope you kind of like enjoyed the products that you've seen, so just ignoring the politics behind how I feel about it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and just some of the products. And I think if there was anything out of this that I would suggest is worth a try, it would be the the eye makeup remover, the wipes. Very handy, very handy. Everything else is lovely, but I'd say there, you know, for £2.99 for the whole lot, even if I was to like tear off all the eye ones and give the face ones to somebody else, I'd be happy to do that, you know. So that's it, my lovely. I'm going to squirt a bit of this on because I feel hot and sweaty now. So I'm just going to smell like suntan lotion and coconut all at the same time. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye for now, my lovelies. Bye.